Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. For today's video we are going to be making a New York City Christmas skyline. So basically my idea is to have kind of the same layout as the Times Square behind me, just a lot wider, and we're gonna have the Statue of Liberty like in a river. If you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe to my channel, like this video, and follow me on Twitch, which will be linked down below. And let's get on with the speed build. We are now finished with the speed build, and I'm going to give you guys a final walkthrough. So right over here we have this like little path leading up to this incline. I decorated some of it off camera, and it's not completely finished. I'm still working on it. I'm actually working on finishing this island. I have like little parts to decorate, and this is the last speed build on this island. So this island is so close to being finished. I just have some little details to work on. But here is the skyline, the main focus of the video, was just the skyline. I wasn't even going to do the lookout area yet, but I really wanted to. So here is the skyline. I think it is gorgeous. I just have a lot of simple panels that look like little, like, you know, towers, apartments, whatever. We have the projection screen, we have like the TVs, there's just a lot of lights, a lot of screens, and I love it. And then I have like these little I think they're buses or trains. Actually, I'm pretty sure they're trains, but going through. And then I actually have like these little stunted trees to make the illusion that these are really tall buildings, and then the trees are like normal size, if you know what I mean. With the train item, I actually got like the little cars, if you know what I'm talking about, from like the pocket camp thing. I got the little cars to put there with the trains as well, so I still have to do that. And then in the video I was placing down some plant partitions, and I kind of kept taking them to decorate the rest of my island, so I'm going to have some plant partitions along this. And then over here I have the subway that I'm still working on, so just ignore it. All that's here is an incline and the sign. But that is what we did for the speed build. Alright, and that's the end of today's video. Thank you all so much for watching. I really hope you all enjoyed this speed build, and I will see you next time with a new video. Bye!